Let's discuss three concepts related to irradiation of foods: radiorization, radicidation, and radapportization. So, radiorization is the use of low dose of radiation to destroy spoilage organisms that may be present in our food products. The dosage range is generally between 0.75 to 2.5 kilogram. On the other hand, radicidization is use of medium dose of radiation to destroy pathogenic organisms present in our food products. The dose range is between 2.5 to 10 kilogram. Last but not the least, radapportization is a concept very similar to sterilization of food product, where the food product is subjected to very high dose of radiation, which is usually between 30 to 40 kilogram. There is destruction of vegetative cells as well as spores of microorganisms. Due to high dosage of radiation that is used, there is loss in sensorial properties which may impact the product quality. In case of products subjected to radiorization and radapportization, there may be off flavors and color change if the dosage level is beyond 4 kilogram. Now, radapportized products, they have a shelf life very similar to heat sterilized food products. Then, how is it different from sterilization process? In case of sterilization process, there is loss of enzymatic activity due to use of very high temperatures. So, high temperatures, protein can be denatured, meaning enzymatic activity may be lost. But such a loss is not seen in case of rad-apportized products, meaning they are susceptible to spoilage due to action of enzyme. Radiorized foods can undergo spoilage if environmental conditions during storage favor it. In European countries, there is a positive list indicating what food can be irradiated and what is the dosage level that needs to be used to irradiate these food products. We know that one of the benefits of irradiation treatment of food is the retention of quality attributes like that of a natural product. Therefore, it's essential to label such products so that consumers can easily differentiate them. Few examples of food products that can be irradiated are your strawberries, onion, garlic, spices like cardamom, clove, and so on. Thank you for staying with me through the video. In case you have any queries, please feel free to put them in the comment section and I'll get back at the earliest.